Bluetooth won't connect? Don't worry. Here are 10 proven fixes that work on every device: Windows, Android, iPhone, cars, and earbuds. Let's get started.
Bluetooth failures affect billions of devices worldwide. The 2.4 GHz band is shared with Wi-Fi, USB 3.0, and microwaves, causing constant interference. Common symptoms include pairing failures, dropped connections, and missing Bluetooth options. Let's go through the fixes.
Fix number 1. Toggle Bluetooth off and on. Turn Bluetooth off on both devices, wait 5 seconds, then turn it back on. If that doesn't work, restart both devices completely. This simple step fixes about 30% of all Bluetooth issues.
Fix number 2. Forget the device and repair from scratch. Go to Bluetooth settings, tap the problematic device, and select Forget this device. Then put your accessory back in pairing mode and search for it as a brand new device. Make sure to forget it from the accessory side too, if possible.
Fix number 3 for Windows users. Open Settings, go to System, then Troubleshoot, then Other Troubleshooters, and run the Bluetooth troubleshooter. If that doesn't work, open Device Manager, right-click your Bluetooth adapter, and select Update Driver. Microsoft confirms that outdated drivers are the #1 cause of Bluetooth failures on Windows.
Fix number 4 for Android. Clear the Bluetooth app cache by going to Settings, Apps, find Bluetooth, and tap Clear Cache. For a deeper fix, go to System, Reset Options, and Reset Network Settings. This clears all saved pairings and Wi-Fi networks. For car Bluetooth, try the passcode 00 or 1234.
Fix number 5 for iPhone. Open Settings, go to Bluetooth, tap the Info button next to the device, and select Forget this device. Also check Privacy and Security, then Bluetooth, and make sure your app has Bluetooth permission enabled. Unpair the accessory from all other devices. As a last resort, reset network settings. If the Bluetooth toggle is grayed out, contact Apple support immediately.
Fix number 6 for AirPods and earbuds. Put both earbuds in the case and close the lid for 10 seconds. Then hold the case button for 10 to 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber, then white. That's a factory reset. Forget the earbuds on all devices, then repair. Also clean the charging contacts because debris can block a proper reset.
Fix number 7 for car Bluetooth. Delete your phone from the car's paired device list. Then delete the car from your phone's Bluetooth settings. Turn the car off and open the door to fully reset the infotainment system. Wait 2 minutes, then repair from scratch on both sides. Some cars have a maximum device limit, so remove old phones first.
Now let us understand why Bluetooth fails. Bluetooth uses the 2.4 GHz frequency band, which is shared with Wi-Fi, USB 3.0 microwaves, and baby monitors. This creates a traffic jam of wireless signals. The fix? Switch your Wi-Fi to 5 GHz, use shielded USB cables, and keep devices close. Intel confirmed that unshielded USB 3.0 ports emit radio noise that directly disrupts Bluetooth.
Driver problems are the leading cause of Bluetooth failures, according to Microsoft. After Windows updates, existing drivers can become incompatible. Also, Bluetooth Low Energy is not compatible with classic Bluetooth, so devices must share matching profiles like A2DP for audio or HID for keyboards.
Range and battery are also critical factors. Bluetooth effective range is about 10 meters in open air, but only 5 meters indoors. Walls, metal, and even your body can cut the range in half. Low battery causes the Bluetooth radio to weaken or shut down entirely. Keep both devices charged above 20% for a stable connection.
To prevent future issues, keep all firmware and drivers updated. Use 5 GHz Wi-Fi to reduce congestion. Clean up your paired device list regularly. Use shielded USB cables. And always keep devices within range and charged before pairing.
That is all 10 fixes for Bluetooth connection problems. Most issues are fixed by toggling, forgetting, and repairing or updating drivers. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.